In this video, we will talk about one of the most controversial topic in health industry. Can drinking water during meal lead to weight gain? I always have habit of drinking water during my meal and my family pinpointed me on various occasions. And I was an overweight kid. So I started thinking maybe because of this habit I'm gaining weight. But I want to research more as it is also said that water is very important for weight loss and health overall. So I dig in and I researched and I found out some amazing facts which I want to share with you and also my personal experience with you guys. So watch this video till end. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and comment down and tell me, do you drink water with your meal or not? After carefully researching about this topic, I came across internet is divided into two groups. One group says drinking water while eating is very bad for your health. It not only leads to weight gain, it also have many health problems and also nutrients are not absorbed very well into your body. Why they say so? When we eat, our body produce acids called as gastric acids which help in breaking down of food. For proper digestion of food, it is important of our food is properly broken down. But when we drink water while we are eating, those acids are diluted by water. Hence, they don't properly break down the food. As a result, food is not properly digested. Drinking water while eating leads to heartburn, acid reflux, increase in insulin level and ultimately weight gain. Scary, isn't it? Going to put my pens down and I thought I was done with my research and also I thought that I was doing so wrong for so many years. And this habit of mine is actually causing my weight to increase a lot. But still I wasn't convinced enough because I didn't find any particular research paper which made research on this topic. There were only claims done by various people. So I thought I should research more about it because acid, which is so powerful in our body, can't be diluted by just drinking water, and it takes 24 to 72 hours to our food to get digested properly. I did research again and found these papers, and they write as Debbie Fetter, an assistant professor of teaching nutrition at the University of California, Davis, told USA Today that there is no research showing that drinking water while eating is harmful. She said it can actually prevent bloating and aid in digestion. She said it helps slow the eating process and create a smoother digestion process. Marian Murray, an Atlanta-based dietitian, told Southern Living, "We are not aware of any findings that a reasonable amount of water would negatively impact digestion. The stomach maintains a very acidic environment and is quite adaptable. In healthy people, the stomach secretes enough fluid and acid to accommodate the meal and get the digestion process started." Further, registered dietitian Tamara Duker Freeman, author of The Bloated Belly Whisperer, told the Washington Post that theory that you shouldn't drink water before or while eating is totally false. Nor would water affect the stomach's acidity, while anything you consume, food or drink, will make the stomach slightly less acidic. It responds by producing as much as acid it needs to digest that meal. It's not like you start off with a certain amount of acid and that's it. If you need more, your body will make it. So this shows complete opposite side of what we saw earlier. So what it is true? Can you drink water while you are eating or you can't drink water? In my opinion and my experience, I think there is no problem in drinking water while you are eating. I have been doing this my entire life and I don't see any problem here. Drinking water while eating actually has benefited during my weight loss journey, and that is my next point. If you tend to overeat and want to look at your calorie intake, you should consider drinking water before or during your meal. It will make you feel fuller and you will tend to overeat less. Second, if you are a fast eater like me, you should consider sipping on water during your meal. It will help you to slow down your pace. watched my video, why should you be eating slow, you need to check it right now. The link is in description box and also at the top. On other hand, if you feel stomach discomfort while drinking water during eating, you should not drink water. So whatever your decision, whether you want to drink water while eating or not, just always remember, drink water slowly and sip by sip. Don't drink entire glass of water all at once. And also always remember, drink lukewarm water and never drink extremely cold water or extremely hot water. That could be a problem. So here's my take on the one of the most debatable topic, whether you should drink water while eating or you should not. If you like my video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, press the bell icon so you get notification every time I upload the video, and don't forget to comment down below. See you in the next video.